Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, January 26, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, January 26, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng January 26, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, January 26, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for January 26, 2025, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, January 26, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.